So open the tailgate so that you can work on it right in front of you. You're gonna have to hold it in a nice plastic trim tool. You're gonna push in on the license plate side. So you wanna push in and pull down. There it is. Slide it out. There's your harness. Squish this tab down, squeeze it down, and then pull. The new one comes with a rubber seal on it. So you're just gonna line up the connector, push it until it clicks, and then reverse procedure. Bring that in that way, and it'll snap right in. Now everything's hooked up. Let's confirm the button works.